Hello students, today we are going to discussing about that continuation of reproductive health, that is infertility. What is meant by infertility? Unable to reproduce offspring in spite of unprotected sexual activities and all. That is we called as infertility and all. That is inability to reproduce offspring in spite of unprotected sexual activities. That is we called as infertility and all. Even though normally that the sexual protective, that is the condoms, femtoms and all, which one can avoid it, that particular pregnancy and all. Even without using, may not get pregnancy and all. That is we called as infertility and all. What are the factors of infertility? Immaturation of reproductive systems. Immaturation of that reproductive systems. Then deficiency or deformities of reproductive systems. Then hormones deficiency, hormones disorder. Deficiency of vitamins like vitamin E, deficiency of mineral like manganese and all. These factors, one among these or any one among these factors are all which one can influence infertility, either male or female. In this one, related to male, what are the infertility causes of the male and all? That is cryptorchidism, undescending testes. Normally at the time of pregnancy, womb of the mother, if it is male baby, exactly on 7th month, if testis, which one can descend towards that scrotal sacs and are unable to descend. So, undescending testis, one among the causes of male infertility. Then, impotence. Unable to erectile of the pineal pod at the time of coitus and all. Then, which one can warming of the scrotal sacs and all. The person who must be working in that excessive temperate region and all. Temperature, particular atmospheric condition. Then, which one can increase the temperature? Normally, there less than normal body temperature to 2 degrees Celsius and all. Then, if it is more, then unable to produce that male gametes and all. Then, black aging of that particular tubal pod. Black aging. That external genital tubes and all. That is vas deferens or vas efferens or reed testis, any one, but majorly one can consider vas deferens or epidermis in that particular one. If it is black aging one, then it is also unable to. Then vasectomy, which one can cutting then surgically removal of that vas difference. Normally one pair of vas differences are present. If it is removable surgically, one can cut and tied, then unable to this one. Then under development of testis. Along with this one, another very important one related to improper production of spermatogenesis, that is related to sperm improperly, that means less than normal production, that is we called as oligospermia, or most maximum number is there, but some of these particular spermatozoans are, it is not at all living nature at all, that is azoospermia. So either non-living, either non-motile, either less than normal count. These are also one among the factors, one among the reasons of male that infertility and all. Related to female infertility, that means oophorytis. Oophorytis, that means swelling of ovaries and all. Oophocystosis. The cyst formation inside the ovaries and all. Then improper ovulation, so unable to production of that female gametes and all. That means irregular menstrual cycle. Irregular menstrual cycle. Then ectopic pregnancy. The pregnancy, normally one can done the wall of uterus, endometrium wall of uterus and all. If pregnancy one can takes place in fallopian tubule other than uterus, that is we called as ectopic pregnancy. Such type of pregnancy may not be withstand completion, continuation, that further development of the baby. That is ectopic pregnancy. That is also one among the reasons and all. Then this particular that female that is related to infertility, that is one among these one fallopian tubule, which one can surgical separation and that is a tubectomy. Among this one, that the fibrous layer one can form the last part of, that means the outer epimetrium, middle myometrium, last endometrium. So inner wall of uterus, which one can covered with the fibrous layer. Endometrium covered with the fibrous, or excessive blockage, cervical mucus and all, or excess production of cervical discharge or cervical mucus. It is also one among the major causes to avoid that particular pregnancy. So these are common, either male or female infertility and all. These particular infertility, how one can overcome such particular problems and all. Normally, one can control or overcome these problems and all, that is ART. ART, the technique which assists infertile couple. So technique which assist infertile couple. That is we call as assisted reproductive technology. That is assisted reproductive technology. This assisted reproductive technology, there will be present IVF as well as AI, in vitro fertilization, normal fertilization we called as in vivo fertilization. The male and female gametes one can fusion inside the female reproductive system at a natural condition. Such type of fertilization we called as in vivo fertilization. Same environmental condition, same nutrient, same temperate condition, which one can separate, which one can provide external environmental condition. There both male and female gametes one can fusion. That is we called as in vitro fertilization or test tube baby. AI, whomever male infertility, that is one among these particular overcome that problem related to artificial insemination, normal semen inserted to the vagina, normal copulation of the particular couples and that is insemination. Whenever either low oligospermia, that is agiospermia, whatever their any one among the causes and then it may be it is one among these assistant one, that is artificial insemination. In this artificial insemination, the husbands or any donors, the healthy sperms one can collect and insert it to that respectable of mother, that vaginal area under. Then intracytoplasmic sperm injection. So the sperm directly injected to the egg cell, that is secondary oocyte. There it will be fusion and formation of zygote, then embryo, then it will be transferred to the another one. That is intracytoplasmic injection. Then GIFT, IUT, IUI. So what is it by GIFT? That is gamete intrafallopian transfer. So whenever the gametes unable to that particular any one among the causes and both male and female gametes, one can transfer the respectable of female and into the fallopian tubules. There one can fusion, one can take place. So gamete intrafallopian transfer. Then after fusion in external environment, that is it will be formed in the form of zygote. That means 8 cells stage, that is which one can consider and inserted to the fallopian tubules of that particular female and all. That is zygote intrafallopian transfer. More than 8 cells, that means blastomeres, more than 8 blastomeres that are considered as an embryo, that is embryo transfer and all. Embryos are not transferred into the fallopian. If it is transferred into the fallopian, there is ectopic pregnancy. It may not develop in a completely. That's why more than 8 cell stage, external environmental condition, then such type of embryo one can insert, one can transmit to the uterus directly. That is intrauterine transfer about more than 8 cell stage. That is intrauterine insemination. Suppose artificial semen, it is not unable to that particular motility and directly one can insert it to the sperms. Instead of vagina, one can insert it to the uterus. Why? Because in vagina, maximum number of these one ready to destroy because of leukocytes and all. That is. Then apart from this one, surrogacy. Surrogacy means whomever that particular mother unable to continue, unable to produce, unable to develop that particular embryo, then instead of that particular mother, which one can nurse that respectable of alternative person and all. That means surrogacy in that sense, that is, it is a constituent, substitute original related to the real mother, substitute of real mother to nurse embryonic development of that particular one. So here, instead of real mother, which one can substitute to nurse related to growth and development of embryo and all, that is surrogacy. But instead of all other activities, all other related to surrogacy and surrogacy mothers and all, but genetically, whomever one can take these particular sperms and egg cells and all, that particular genetics only one can be present. Not one can surrogacy mother, that genetics may not be applicable to that one. Then, but here more accepted or more successive rate, surrogacy more successive rate in that animals rather than human beings and all, even though one can use it rarely in human beings also. Then in this one, who is the originator, who is the founder, who is the discovered this particular assisted reproductive technology? That's why that the scientist, the doctor, one can get Nobel Prize in 2010 recently and all. But this doctor, first one can done, immediately it will be failure and all. Why? Because artificial test tube baby, the successive rate less than 20%. Test tube baby successive rate only less than 20%, that is most important. More than 20, less than 20, 20% or 100%, 80%, that many different options they may chance to ask and less than 20%, first time one can failure, second time failure, up to 200 times that doctor one can do, one can done already that particular practice under, which one can laboratories under, which one can done these tests under, one can be failed 200 times, but he did not lose in his particular concentration and all, 201 time. So after completion of 200 times, one can done, one can failure, then 201, then one can succeed. So that's why you also one can concentrate, one can practice any one questions, one can lose less marks, don't lose your concentration. So once again, number of repeated times, if you read, automatically the success it will become somehow. Then that doctor one can, that the scientist one can succeeded after completion minimum, that is maximum times, maximum number of attempts and all. Who is the doctor? Who is the scientist and all? That is Robert Edward and all. The name of that one? Robert Edward. 2010 he got Nobel Prize and all. So in vitro fertilization, what is the procedure one can do in vitro fertilization? In particular couple, infertility couple, either healthy donor of male, one can collect sperm, as well as female, one can collect secondary oocyte. Both one can insert it to the nutrient media, external environmental condition, which one can provide similar to the inside the particular that human body and all. There fusion of gametes one can take place. That is artificial fertilization. After fusion of gametes, it is 2 cell stage, 4 cell stage, 8 cell stage, like this one. If it is 8 cell stage, immediately one can transfer into the zygote intrafallopian transfer. If it is 8 cell stage, more than 8 cell stage, if it is present, external environmental condition, that is embryo transfer and all. ET, that is more than 8 cell stage, that means morula to blastocyst, then gastrula, like this. There, once one can insert it there. Here, who is the first person? Who is the first test tube baby in our world and all? Louis Brown in 1978, July 25th. This doctor only, along with the step team, scientists, both doctors, collectively one can succeed under Louis Brown, 1978, July 25th and all. 1978. Louis Brown, the first test tube baby, whenever they ask, you write this one. Who is the first test tube baby in our country? In our country, 1986, that is Kumharsha, in that Mumbai region under 1986. But according to some other Asiatic first test tube baby, whenever they ask Asiatic first test tube baby, you write Durga, related to 1978 October, in the month of October, that Durga, which one can be present? Asiatic first baby, then you write Durga. India's one, according to these studies under some other books, one can given that India's as well as Asiatic Durga only 1978 in the month of October. They have given different types. So this is Kumharsha according to books under 1986, that now one can we called as Agarwal. Which one can is this name one can change it now, that is name of that particular person we called as Agarwal. Once one can change it to the Agarwal in the month of October. So that is then artificial, that is intracytoplasmic sperm injection. Artificial insemination means directly, oligo, whatever it may be, directly inserted the healthy donor or husbands, directly inserted to the vagina and all. This is here the semen or sperms directly injected to the egg cell. Then fertilization takes place. Then automatically it will be moving the uterus. Then here gamete intrafallopian transfer and all. In this gamete minimum, that is a healthier, that female gametes and all. Here that female gametes, that means oocytes. Secondary oocytes, minimum, very less number here, that in a male sperms, the 2 to 5 lakh, the sperms, the motility sperms, 2 to 5 lakhs, as well as some other oocytes, both one can inserted fallopian tubers. In that fallopian tuber, inside that naturally, that fusion of gametes one can take place, then zygote, then automatically further process, which one can implant it, the wall of uterus and all. That is gamete intrafallopian transfer. Whomever unable, one particular female, unable to that gametes and all, but ready to, which one can implant it, that embryo and all. In that specific, respectable of that particular female and all, one can take this particular method and all, procedure and all. But whatever it may be, this particular successive rate will be very less, little bit costlier one. Then this is intrauterine insemination instead of vagina. If it is low motility rate and all, then directly one can inject it, one can insert it towards that one. So that is that assistant reproductive technology, which one can be present. That doctor, that Robert Edward, which one can originated. That's why one can got Nobel Prize in 2010 and all. Here the abbreviations, that particular aspects very important. gift, as well as particular ICUSI, ICSI, as well as ZAFT, IUI, intrauterine insemination, intrauterine transmit, all these things which one can be present under.